This is the HTC Desire 22 Pro, and in today's video we will show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So first of all, make sure that your phone is connected to the internet, then launch any search engine that you like. At the respective search bar, type in Fortnite APK. Among the search results, go for the official epicgames.com website. Once the website gets loaded, you gotta tap on this download the app from Epic Games hyperlink. Wait until the download file asks that you would like to download it, so press on OK. Then launch the Epic Games Launcher installer. Prior to installing the Epic Games app, make sure that you have allowed Google Chrome or any other respective browser or search bar that you've used to install unknown apps. Then confirm the installation. Then launch the Epic Games. In here, tap on this black Get button located right in front of a Fortnite. And at the app page, tap on this yellow Install button. And now we'll simply wait for the Epic Games Launcher to download all necessary Fortnite files. Alrighty, as you can see, once the files get downloaded, it is required that we allow Epic Games Launcher to install unknown apps. The same we should have done for the browser, for the Google Chrome in my case, so just turn this toggle on, confirm the installation, and wait until the Fortnite gets installed. After that, you can launch the game, and well, after the game has been opened for the first time, simply wait until it will download all its necessary resources and, well, files, updates, whatever. And after that, you'll be able to start actually playing it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.